Right, welcome back to the channel. We're going to do a little bit on my dad's cafe. It's been sat in the back of the workshop for a while and neglected. We've had so much going on. We're going to strip it down into boxes and we're going to get his frame, because he's got his frame stretch done, because he's gone into a 12-inch wheels because he wanted a wider wheelbase, make it handle a little bit better. Plus that's what he wanted to do. I liked it the way it was, but he wanted to change it. He's also changed his two pipes. There's a load of other stuff. We're remocking stuff and everything else. But it's got to go into boxes, and then obviously I'm going to come and strengthen and straighten the frame out. It's actually in the right place and everything else. It's just for mock-up purposes. And then I'll fully strengthen it. We're going to add a proper slug in the frame to reinforce that. So I'll just leave the camera recording. We're going to strip this down into boxes, and then he can get on and then do all the rest of the thing. There's a couple of bits that need maintenance on it now. It's done a hard bit of graft the last year, so we want them ready for the new bike season now. So we'll pull them all apart, and I think we're going to get the frame powder coated this time, won't we?
Yeah, I think so. And up the engine.
Yeah, he wants some more power out of it. We've got that 140 CWY or generic pit bike engine. It's got a Z40 cam in it and valve springs, but I think we're going to go to a big boy in it now. So we're looking for another series of engine, maybe like the 160, and then we're going to probably put a 212 barrel in it, or something a bit naughty engine in it. We did consider putting a V twin in it, or something else, but no, it won't go. Not with the how small the frame is. We're looking at engines anyway. It's going to have something new in it, I think, probably for the new season. So I'll set up on the camera, and you can get a video of us stripping all the bits ready for boxes and ready for rebuild. So I thought I'd give you a little bit of update on what's going on with the cafe. It hasn't been on the channel for a while now, and ciao for now. Right, we got through all of that. That was quite painless. It's all in bits and pieces now, so Dad's going to start getting it all ready for show season. So it'll be cleaning and making sure every nut and washer is correct. Like we said previously, we're probably going to look at getting another engine for it. Nothing wrong with that engine, it's just we want something a bit more flashy in it. You know, new bike, new season. The frame is coming with me to work, where I'm just going to true it all up, make sure it's bang on, put it on like a jig and straighten it out, and then weld it up and send it to the powder coater. The powder coater will look after us on that. I've done him a couple of favours, so we haven't decided what colour yet, but I think it's probably black again, won't we?
Black, yeah.
Okay, so yeah, we'll get this all buttoned back up and then we'll start rebuilding it again. Probably won't be for another month or so now, but ciao for now. Okay guys, record that now. Just wander around. Wank out. Right.